In this video, I will show you how to delete call history on Instagram. Now, the very first thing we're going to do is to go to our messages right here. And as you can see, we might be able to have those recent calls that we had with our other friends. So in order for us to delete that call history, all I have to do is to click on our messages with them. Let's say right here. All I have to do is to long press it and then click on delete for you. You can also select other call history that you had with that friend and altogether delete them for you. You can also do that to another messages right here. You can also delete them for you and select them to delete that permanently. So that's it. That's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like below and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!